Join me to make this customer's order for a hand fan with swag and different. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time of coming, Kuchela Crafts is where you are. Please subscribe. I love you for always coming to watch my videos. Subscribe and share. And you would have made my day. Let's go to class. To make this fan, we are going to be needing a fascinator wire or hat wire. You get it from where they sell fascinator or hat pins. Paper tape. We need a plier for this so that we can be able to cut this. We need glue. I'm going to be using Evo-Stick glue. I'll still be using this UHU glue, and at some point I will use this candle glue. Then you need your tape, you need your mesh, you need bias. Now this is a bias strip that I ironed out. It came in the normal way biases come. So the bias came this way. So I opened it up and I ironed it. So that's why it came out like this. So, and then this is leather mat, just leather, just this. I need it. You will see where I will use it. And Mako, we need Mako. It's a thicker one. This one is quite thick. So you need a thick one. So we start with the hat wire. You cut out 25 inches. So there are 4 now. 1, 2, 3, 4. What you will use to cut it is this plier. That's why it's here. So on the place I folded it, which is the 25 inches mark, cut it. On this side too. Cut it. So this is 4 25 inches, right? Then we will get our paper tape and use it to do this. Fold it. Let about 1 inch be on top of each other. Did you see? Let 1 inch be on top of each other. Then you use this tape you cut out and hold it down. Make sure you hold it to be tight together. So see what I have, okay? Okay. Now the 4 of them are complete, right? We have the 4 here. So this is where we use our fabric glue. So I keep the 3 aside. I get the bias strip that is ironed out. Place this glue at the edge like so. Any glue can do this. Just any glue you're comfortable with. Just that I'm comfortable with this one. I will start from here to wrap. So as you wrap, you make it very tight while you wrap so that it doesn't unravel, because it needs to grip the hat wire very well. Also note that this thing can be done, this hat wire can be replaced with boning. You can use boning to achieve this same thing, but I prefer hat wire. Reason is that it gives that sleek effect to the fan, and it makes it less bulky to carry, because boning has a lot more weight. That's what I observed than this. So you keep wrapping until you come to the end. See me trimming out the little excess that is there. Then at the end, you now apply glue and press it firm to be tight. Remember, you can use candle glue for this. All right, so when it's firm, I burn off all the fraying part of the bias. So you're going to repeat this for the other 4, for the other 3, because we're trying to get 4 circles in all. Okay, so now I'm done joining them. So I didn't cover this pot because I don't want it to be bulky, so it's okay. Then you will get your tool, spread it out and place this on it. Just place it at one point and wrap. So the place you're going to wrap it towards this point. This is where you will wrap it. That's the end of your wrap. Okay, so when you have done it like so, use your thread and tie off this end. Make it tight. Then I will knot it. Let me cut it off first. Okay. So now I will knot it twice. So now it's tight. Then I will sew it after knotting, just to properly secure what I have done. So you would notice I did not cut the thread. Okay, so now this is secured, right? So what I did here, I'll repeat it for all these ones. Now we're done making the four of them, so you join them together like this. I just want to point out here that, and if you can make fan with just these two, look at it, you can make fan with just these two and it will work. You can make it with three, it will work. You can make it with five, it will work. So but for the size I'm making is just this two. All right, so place it like this and tack. So your tacking is here. Just tack in such a way that you join these two together. So that's what I'm doing. Make sure that your thread is knotted. Then you bring the next one like so and fix it, join it together. This one, then I add the last one. This is what it looks like after joining the four of them together. So the next thing to do is to bring the mako. Find this mako, find a round plate like this, make a mark like so on it. So the 6.5, watch what I'm doing. 6.5. So this is half of the circle, right? So because this is half of my circle, it's 3.25. So now I'm going to check if 3.25 can cover here. 3.25 is here. So it can cover because I need this to cover all these rough edges. So I will cut this circle. Then fold it in half just to be sure that my measurement is okay. See, there's a little error, so and cut it into two. All right. Then I'm sure you've been wondering what I wanted to do with this. I will trace out this here. Then I'll give small allowance because I need something to fold it in with, like ½ inch. This side is too wide. And I cut another one because they need to be two. So we will use this and wrap here. Use it and wrap it. After wrapping it, you now see, you see it's in the middle now because we are bringing all these ones inside. Okay, so this measurement, use it and cut out your lace. So fold the lace into two. Place the leather on it and cut out. So this will be for this. Place it on top, and this will be for this. All right. So what I'm going to do now, I will now get this Evo stick glue. Pour the Evo stick glue on one side of the mako as I'm doing in the video. Spread it around and leave it to dry. You can dry it under a fan or under a sunlight, but under sunlight it shouldn't stay for too long. Then you pick up the leather too and start applying it to, just as I have done now. Pour it on the side that you're going to be pasting on the mako, so it's only on one side. So you pour it on that side and leave them to dry. When they have dried, so just paste it on the leather. I'm sorry I couldn't capture it. Place it on the leather and fold in the excesses on the side. Look at the leather I'm holding now, the mako I'm holding now. See the way it is? The excesses are folded in. So before you now attach the lace to it. So now it's time to attach the lace to it. So picture what I'm doing. You see that the thing has excesses right round because we gave room for that at the beginning. So I'm using my UHU glue to do that because I don't want the glue. I'm not going to glue the front side. So I'm applying it on those excesses on the wrong side. Now we have the right side and the wrong side. Apply it on all the edges and fold it in. Please let it be neat. See what it looks like when it's done. Now we join it together to the fan. So what you're going to do is to place it on the fan and make sure it covers all the rough edges and be generous with your glue. Now I'm using my candle glue. Apply it well, apply serious pressure. So you put one on this side, one on the other side, and you are good to go. Please, no excesses on the side of glue so that it doesn't leave your work tacky. So this is the finished work. I'm done. The next thing will now be to beautify it using whatever it is you have. So originally I used trimmings, but the customer asked that I change it, that she wants everything to be emerald green because the trimming I used is silver. So she wants everything to be emerald green. So I had to remove what I've done before and I fixed emerald green patches on it and it came out fine. Here is the silver trimming and here is the emerald green work. What do you think? Which one is better? Thank you for watching my video. We have come to the end of the video and see my customer wearing it and it's so fine with the gele I made. If you want to know how I made this gele, the link is in my description. You will see they just check through my channels. There are different auto gele designs that you will see both with Ashoke and Sego Gehetai. See you in the next class.